All right, so George, tell me a little about yourself and VergeIO.
So I started in the industry at a company like yours, a value-added reseller, integrator, and then eventually started my own analyst firm called Storage Switzerland. I did that for almost 14 years, and then transitioned to the vendor side of the equation about little over 2 years ago now. I found VergeIO as part of my analyst work. Did a lot of testing of it before I came on board because I wanted to make sure if I did a transition, when I did it, it would be a product that was really working and did everything that the company claimed it did. And so I probably ran Verge for about 5 months before I even reached out to them, and then was obviously very impressed and joined the company. As far as the company itself, we are a alternative to VMware. The company's been in business since 2012, so we didn't start out that way. Really, if you look at the core of the product, what we really do is provide a cloud operating environment for companies that are trying to compete with, say, Amazon, Google, and Azure. So all the things that the IT guys at those companies have, we try to equip in our software. As you kind of move forward in time, 2018, 2019, we started to pick up more enterprises that, if you think about an enterprise, it has a lot of infrastructure as a service provider aspects to it. They got multiple business units, multiple departments, many times multiple companies. And so they needed much of the same capabilities that these infrastructure providers needed. And so we started even then to really start to attract VMware customers. And so what we did then is we started to say, okay, let's double down on this. Let's write a tool that'll integrate and migrate VMware over. We did a really good job with that. Not coincidentally, we were in great position when Broadcom acquired VMware almost a year ago to really accelerate our growth.
Yeah, very cool. No, I mean that's awesome because you and I think originally met when you had Storage Switzerland, and I know we had you out to speak at some of our events and different things about what's happening in the market. So, I was pleasantly surprised when I saw you end up at Verge and the opportunity that's out there for us to partner and be able to go make a difference in this space.
Yep.
What because we see the same thing around VMware, right? That there's definitely a play there to introduce other alternatives to what's been the standard in that virtualization space for a long time.
Yep.